In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bullet journal in Notion. We're going to build a setup that feels organized, flexible, and easy to maintain, while still keeping the fast, practical spirit of a traditional bullet journal. The goal is to create a space where you can plan ahead, capture tasks quickly, and review what matters without making the system feel complicated. Start by opening a new Notion page and naming it Bullet Journal. This will be your main hub, so think of it as the front door to your entire journaling system. Keeping everything anchored to one main page makes it much easier to navigate later. At the top of the page, create an index section. You can do this with a toggle list or simple bullet points, depending on the style you prefer. This area is meant for quick links to your main categories, so you can jump around your journal without scrolling through everything. To create direct links, type the @ symbol followed by the name of the page you want to reference. This makes your index much more useful as your journal grows. Next, create your future log using a calendar view database. This is where you'll schedule events, birthdays, deadlines, or anything coming up in future months. It gives you a big picture view of what's ahead, which is especially helpful when you start planning monthly pages. Once that's ready, add a linked view of your future log at the top of your monthly page. This lets you reference long-term plans without leaving the page, and it helps you make better decisions about what to focus on during the month. For the monthly section itself, add a simple bulleted list for monthly tasks and highlights. Monthly tasks can include goals, errands, or chores, while highlights can be used for important moments, memories, or events you want to remember. Keeping these lists simple makes them quick to update and easy to review. Under that, build a simple table or database for a habit tracker. Add checkboxes for your daily routines so you can mark progress consistently. This is a great way to bring visibility to habits without overcomplicating your page. For rapid logging, use Notion's built-in to-do blocks or type /bullet list to quickly capture thoughts as they happen. This keeps your system true to bullet journaling by making it fast and low friction. At the end of each day or week, migrate incomplete tasks by dragging and dropping them into the next day's log, or checking them off if they are no longer relevant. This review step helps keep your journal clean and intentional. Finally, use a template button by typing /template to automate your setup. Configure a button called New Day so it instantly creates your daily headers, intentions, gratitude, daily highlights, and a to-do list. This saves time and makes it much easier to stay consistent.